Salam everyone, welcome to my channel DaringDeen vlog. I ordered the iPhone 17 Pro Max. I pre-ordered it on the 12th of September 2025 and I received it on launch day, which was 19th of September 2025, and I received it via post. So before I open this, I would like to explain to you why I didn't go for the the color that they're promoting this time, the orange color, and why I got this color instead. This is a really ugly orange color. I mean, I couldn't believe it. It looks like a childish toy, to be honest. How could they do a iPhone Pro Max in this color? Easy way to open this. I can't remember if it's the same packaging like last year or not. Just gonna see if I open it easily. Here we go. I ordered the one that is closer to the, I think it's kind of like a deep blue color. I didn't order the orange one because I thought it was really ugly. So what is the easiest way to open it? Yeah, as you can see, there's like a arrow showing how to open it. Oh, there's another one actually. That's it. Okay, this is the iPhone 17 Pro Max. And I have to say, I love the color. Looks beautiful. This year on the Pro series, they only released 3 colors. So one of them is the ugly orange one that I just mentioned, and this is I think they call it deep blue, and the other one is kind of like a silver whitish color, which doesn't look good, to be honest. And the only choice I think I had was this, because I usually go for darker colors, and this deep blue color was the only thing I could get. I mean, I wouldn't ever go for that ugly orange color. It's just looks so bad, honestly. So let's see what's in the box. This is a USB-C cable. It's a good quality one. I think they call it braided cable or something. And there's a pin tool here to eject the SIM card tray from the phone. There's some paperwork. The only thing missing is the power adapter. They stopped supplying it. I think it's been like 2-3 years, and they made an excuse about the environment or something. And earphones were long gone, way before they stopped supplying the adapter. Okay, I'm quickly going to show you guys a case that I bought. I bought the same kind of case last year for my iPhone 16 Pro Max as well. It's called a Supcase. You may pronounce it as Supcase as well. To be honest, I don't know the correct pronunciation, but it's also called a unicorn Beetle grip case. It has a built-in stand, and the case, the outer part is transparent, as you can see. This case is compatible with MagSafe, and it has a military grade drop protection, and it's pretty heavy duty, but it's also lightweight at the same time. And there's like a protection for the lens area. It's got the four corners. The four corners are quite heavy duty as well. The price of this particular case is $21.99 on Amazon, and There are other colors available as well. They're $25.99. This case has a discount, so I got it for $21.99, and that's, I'm talking about Amazon UK, and I'm sure America they have similar price. It's probably about $20 or $21. As you can see, it's fits really well. You can see the deep blue color through the transparent case. I like it actually. Okay, now I will try to install the screen protector which I got. They call it the LK2 pack for iPhone 17 Pro Max screen protector, HD clear tempered glass film for iPhone 17 Pro Max, no bubbles, no dust, anti-scratch, NH plus hardness, military grade, shatterproof, 1 second auto install. And it has like 57,000 reviews, and the average review is 4.3 out of 5 stars. And I was pretty curious about it. I don't know what this is, or what it's for. Probably some stickers or something. Let's see what else is there. So this is the device, I should think. One pull installation. I've never done any installation that is a one pull thing. I think you just pull it or something. Okay. To be honest, I'm finding this screen protector is a bit complicated. I'll have a look at my phone again. I really like this deep blue color, and I'm glad that I chose this one instead of the orange ugly one. To be honest, I don't like installing any screen protector with the device. I like to do it manually. So this is installing it by itself. Once you pull the plastic thing out, it just keeps on moving. And I'm hoping there won't be any bubbles after all this gimmick, but I highly doubt it. It took me a while to get to this point. Let's remove it and see. And I can see some bubbles, to be honest. I think it's going to have some bubbles, definitely. Oh yeah. Oh, look at this big fat bubble on the top left corner. I'm really disappointed. I don't like this, to be honest. Checking if there's other bubbles hiding. I've tried to press the big fat one and it became slimmer. We got 3 little dots there. And I'm looking at my phone again. Oh, nice color. I'm glad I didn't go for the ugly. Here's the case again. I'm just going to put it back on. It has the screen protector on now, and with the case it's going to be safe, inshallah, for a while. I bought the Apple Care Plus with theft and loss. Basically, if you lose your phone, they replace it. If you damage it, they'll replace it. If you get stolen, they replace it. So this was the safest thing I could get, because I had my phone stolen a few years ago at when I went for a coffee at Costa. Someone just stole it from the counter within seconds, and I was quite devastated. The installation is pretty basic, like other iPhones. It's pretty easy. If you have your previous phone near it, then it'll automatically install it if you press the right option. And it's just going to copy everything from your previous phone to this new phone. Okay, so the bubbles all disappeared now. As you can see, the bubble has disappeared, so that's great news. Okay now. Thank you everyone for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel, and hit that notification button for future content, inshallah. And I'll see you all in the next video, inshallah. Thank you.